water. Everybody calls me young, beautiful, wonderful, and I look at my hair, my lips, my red rosy cheeks, and a pair of blinking eyes. I remember somebody says that I look like my mother. Do I look like my mother? But then she was young. I'm much younger than she is. I am a mortal Venus. Oops, what time is it? I must get ready for the party. Beep, 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 beep. Here they are. Here they are. Yes, I'm coming. Child, are you still there? Huh? That's my mama. Child, are you still there? Please, get me a glass of cold water. Mama, I'm in a hurry. Please, child, try to get me a glass of cold water. Mama, get it to your own. Please, child, try to get me a glass of cold water. At the party, I dance and I dance the whole night. You see, I can't live at once. I have to dance with everybody who proposed to me. At last, the party is over. I'm very, very tired. So I went home to tell Mama what happened. Mama, I'm home. It's very quiet. Mama, I'm home. Nobody answers. Where is she? I look for her in the sala, but she's not there. Where is she? Aha, in the kitchen. I saw my mama lying down on the floor, dead, with a glass on her hand. Oh God, just for the glass of cold water. Mama! Mama! Oh, Mama! Thank you.